Hello, and welcome to Only Social. In today's video, I will show you how to add product attributes to your store. These attributes can be customized based on the product type, making it easy for buyers to specifically select the type of product they want to purchase on your store. So let's get started. From your e-commerce store dashboard, navigate to the attributes. This is where you will manage the different attributes of products in your store. To create a new attribute, click on the Add button. Give a name to the attribute. This name will hold the value of the attribute. For the attribute value, simply enter each value and separate them with a comma if there are multiple values. Additionally, you can toggle on the Multi-Select button. If you enable this, buyers will have the option to select multiple values for this attribute. There's also an optional radio button. If you toggle this on, buyers can skip selecting this attribute entirely. Lastly, ensure that you toggle on the active button to set the attribute as active, and don't forget to save your settings. You can add as many attributes as you want, or edit the existing attributes. Let's go ahead and add new attributes and its values. In the next video, we will continue with how to add products to your store. This marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching.